So I ran across something that's it's been on my mind since I read it, and it's kind of in depth. So I'm only going to give you 3 of the steps on how to accomplish this. And there's 3 ways you can make $1,000,000. So you say, oh, I want to make $1,000,000. I want to get established. So if you're thinking about making products, you're thinking about providing a service, 3 things or 3 ways that you can make $1,000,000 successfully. One of them is sell a $200 item, whatever your item is, to 5,000 people. You'll be a millionaire. Or you can sell a $200 item to I'll take that back, a $500 item to 2,000 people. So you're even going to sell a $500 item that you come up with to 2,000 people to make your million, or you can sell a $200 item to 5,000 people to make your million. Or the last one, you can sell a $1,000 item to 1,000 people to make a million. $1,000 item, $500 item, $200 item. So if you need a focus, you're trying to get your mind into shape on what you need to do, or what you're trying to provide, or what you want to sell, or whatever you're trying to do, think of those 3 things, and I really believe you could be able to come up with something you can even sell for $200, for $500,